Match day 28 Ghana Premier League Kotoko akonya 1 point ewo takwa yes akompa Kotoko 1 Medeama 1 goals by Mukwala Daisy and dear Wisi Taylor were the people on the goal sheet or were the players on the goal sheet. Now in an intense game Kotoko for the very first time first half goal in about 4 or 5 games near Kotoko Bobo be a first half goals no Emma but Kotoko nya first half goal but unfortunately Kotoko Intiman hold on to the fourth so the 90 minutes but in the second half and dear Wisi Taylor Medeama player Medeama nya penalty around 56 minutes and or convert a penalty no ma tima your friend Medeama man be 1-1 after say be 1-1 no ye preswa go bia entimi ama ekopem se game no ebe we ya 1-1 Kotoko a movie say or 37 points yes Kotoko a movie and the game no Kotoko ewe ni ya nka oko 39 points but say no 37 points Kumasi Asante Kotoko on the Ghana League table quickly lineup coach Ogumudeshasi and Frederick Asare, Justice Blay, Zeze Mukwala, Enoch Morrison, Henry Ansu, Shadrach Ado, Baba Yaya, Andrew Sinti Menu, Nicholas Osei-Bonsu, and Emmanuel Korte, the right back. And na Eric you can say Ogum at the starting game no Zeze Efrimuma Somwabai and later on Kalu Atara and so was introduced in the latter part of the game saying coordinate Juma but unfortunately and Timi Amba so still now Ogum record no ehudi against Medeama intimate share no yes Medeama intimate share I feel that Medeama intimate first go etia coach Prosper Ogum as a matter of fact you state on record in the first half Kotoko were resolute Kotoko shego no in the 21st minute Kotoko timi hold you or more at the call first half but second half no nkofo ne pressure na no odin eno ne ma made ba kwa msesuan in this game Frederick Asare wonders in the second half saves upon saves be pon refinite 7 minutes and the two so na pressure pan but baby na player Frederick Asare waba no wabe save Kumasi Asante Kotoko from the danger yes game no na very intense because intense game let's just say wow we share ball no live no and as a call stadium more understand say now gate fee 40 Ghana cedi regular and a VIP no 100 Ghana cedi omo mu tears ka ekohe ball no omo amoka ba akokra because game no na end to end yes and Frederick Asare yemona baso especially enka no anka Kumasi Asante Kotoko victory we no enka ebeye den pap and I say enka Kotoko 1 point here we free game enka ebeye den because nkofo no after say omo take kanama na 1-1 no omunya various goal scoring opportunities but it took the heroics of player Efreno Frederick Asare of Kumasi Asante Kotoko on the map ball no stay at level 1-1 after that Kotoko make any serious incursions to take the lead but no one is crosses be or back Kalu Atara into me and converting right now Kotoko moving to 37 points on the Ghana League table with the full fixtures and the league results table no goals king nina me the bros here